Are you posting videos and still not seeing growth? I've been there. In this video, I will show you real strategies that help me boost my YouTube presence. And they can work for you too. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I help you grow your YouTube channel by sharing YouTube growth tips. And I also share my journey on YouTube, what is working for me and what not. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like and share this video as we dive into this topic proper. YouTube stardom is a dream for many and a harsh reality for few. The idea of having millions of followers, making a living off your content, and being recognized as an influencer in your niche is incredibly appealing. But what does it take to get there? Is it just luck, or can anyone achieve it with the right strategies and mindsets? For me, I truly believe that with dedication and the right approach, anyone can become a successful YouTuber. Finding your niche, gaining visibility, and building an audience are just a few of the common challenges aspiring YouTubers face. It's easy to get lost in the sea of creators, especially when you are just starting out. Your content might be great, but if no one sees it, it doesn't matter. And then there is always a pressure to consistently produce high quality content that resonates with your audience. It's no wonder many give up before they even get a chance to succeed. Another challenge is creating content that stands out. With many creators out there, it's hard to differentiate yourself and find a unique voice. And even if you do manage to create something special, getting people to notice it can be tough. You might have a great video, but if your title, tags and descriptions aren't optimized, it will be hard to get views. Building an audience takes time and effort. It's not just about uploading videos and hoping people will magically find them. You need to engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and be consistent with your uploads. It's kind of hard, especially when you're just starting out. Growing an audience also requires understanding who they are and what they want to see. You need to be able to analyze your performance, see what is working, and adjust your strategies accordingly. It's a process that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. The first thing I would really recommend is for you to focus on one niche. Don't confuse the algorithm. I know there is this temptation to try different things, but you just have to focus so you don't confuse the algorithm. Instead, I would recommend you focus on creating quality content. Use searchable titles also. Check and double check your titles always because it will definitely help you out. Also optimize your thumbnails for clicks. Leverage community posts and shorts. Don't forget to promote your channel on social media and other platforms to reach a broader audience. That will definitely help you as you're still new. I will also recommend that you should know your analytics. Always check audience retention, traffic source, which videos kept viewers watching longest, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So another one is always call to action clearly. Don't be shy. Always ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe. Phrases like, let me know which tip you try below. That will definitely make them to want to comment on your video because engagement is crucial. Another important one is post consistently with a plan. Always create a content calendar and make sure it's workable and realistic. Regular uploads will definitely keep your audience coming back. So what can you do to become a successful YouTuber? It starts with believing in yourself and your potential. You don't need to have millions of followers or a huge budget to get started. With the right strategies and mindsets, I think anyone can achieve YouTube stardom. If you're serious about growing your channel, I would love to hear about your YouTube goals in the comments below. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to become a successful YouTuber. Check out my other videos for further insights. Thanks for watching. Bye.